The Skytech King 95 gaming PC desktop is designed for high-performance computing, offering robust specs for both gaming and multitasking. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, which reaches speeds of 4.7 GHz with a turbo boost of up to 5.2 GHz, this system ensures quick responsiveness and smooth performance. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. The NVIDIA RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7 graphics card delivers sharp visuals and high frame rates, making it perfect for demanding applications and immersive experiences. Whether you're working or enjoying your favorite multimedia content, the combination of the GPU and the 32GB DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz ensures you'll have a fluid experience without lag. Storage is handled by a 1TB Gen4 SSD, offering speeds up to 30x faster than traditional hard drives. With this SSD, expect rapid boot times, quicker file transfers, and seamless application launches. To complement the hardware, this desktop comes with a 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler, keeping temperatures in check during intense usage, preventing thermal throttling and extending the lifespan of your components. Connectivity is never an issue with the Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11 AC and an array of USB ports, including 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, plus HDMI and DisplayPort options for your display setup. The system also comes with Windows 11 Home, ensuring a modern and user-friendly interface right out of the box. Additionally, this setup includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to game or work right away. This system is built for those who demand performance. Whether you're streaming content, creating, or working on resource-heavy tasks, the Skytech King 95 can handle it all. If you're looking for a desktop that can run demanding games at ultra settings, such as Call of Duty, Fortnite, and Elden Ring, this machine is ready to take on the challenge. With a sleek design housed in the King 95 case and a solid warranty of 1 year on parts and labor, you can be confident in its reliability. Get started with a powerful PC that combines aesthetics with top-tier performance for all your computing needs.